In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Canva using the unpaid version. Even without the premium background remover, you can still create a clean cutout look by using frames and a few simple layout tricks. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your design in Canva. On the left-hand side, look for the Uploads tab. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where you can bring your own images into Canva, whether they're product photos, portraits, or any picture you want to feature. Next, upload and select your image. If it's not already in your library, click the button to upload from your computer and wait for the image to appear in your Uploads panel. Once it's there, click on the image so it appears on your canvas. You can resize it for now if you want, but we'll adjust it again later. Now, look back to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps all the shapes, graphics, and most importantly for this tutorial, the frames that we'll use to cut out your image. Inside Elements, scroll down until you see the Frames section, or type Frames into the search bar at the top. Click on Frames to open the full selection. These frames are special placeholders that automatically crop images into a specific shape. Choose a frame that fits your design, such as a circle, a rounded rectangle, or any creative shape you like. Click once to add that frame to your canvas, then position and resize it so it's roughly where you want the cutout to appear. Now, it's time to place your image inside the frame. Go back to the Uploads tab, click and hold your photo, then drag it over the frame until the frame highlights and release. Canva will automatically snap the image inside the frame, effectively cutting it out in the shape you chose. If you prefer another method, you can also right-click on the image and look for the option related to placing it into the frame, depending on your Canva interface. This can be helpful if dragging is a bit tricky. Finally, to make sure your framed image appears on top of other elements, click on the frame, then open the layer or position controls at the top. Choose Bring Forward or Bring to Front so your cutout image is clearly visible above backgrounds or other graphics. And that's it. You've just created a clean cutout effect in Canva using only the free tools.